I took 2 Suburbans, I cut each one in the middle and put them together.
So it's a D pillar.
D pillar, yes.
That's why I got to do a front.
Yeah, you're like back up a couple doors. Oh man.
Yeah, I duct taped your back right handle just because I was hanging out by the
I've just been pulling them off.
I'd rather have them duct taped in than a fucking hole in the side of the thing.
Let me check the amp. I'm sure the amps have gotten old.
Yeah, they're not actually pretty cool.
I still can't believe the amount of cone area you got for a D pillar. Like that's a first.
Duct tape. Yeah, please ignore the fans because it was last minute. The fans on.
It works. Nice money.
He picked the money out.
Burning money is the thing.
It is nothing but money.
Either that or like pretzels. They had some weird designs at Joanne.
So is this fabricated to make it like this?
Yes, I took 2 Suburbans, I cut each one in the middle and put them together. I wanted something different and I want to be able to demo a lot of people. I've been going to car shows for like 15 years and there's always a line. I was like, I don't want a line.
Yeah. That's a good point.
Dude, everybody enjoys.
Yeah. I see what you did.
Hey, dude.
Good.
Oh,
Crazy. You be here tomorrow?
yeah, about 1 or 2. Yeah, come over here on this side.
Seems like a boss, bro.
What?
They doing all the seats full meter?
Yeah.
Please.
Well, they had the meter on that one window. Oh, no, I see it on the front. They had it on the side window for a minute.
Oh wow. Whose is this?
Josh's.
I don't even know what's in there.
8 ZB518s on 2 NS2s on the deep pillar wall. Yeah.
That's a
You got out?
that's a first.
Yeah.
Did they get out? Get out? Yep, it works.
Holy smokes. What would you call this? D pillar?
Yeah, I would say it would have to be a D pillar. Yeah.
Middle left to hit the same.
Whose is it? Whose is this?
It's Josh's with the glasses.
Okay.
Josh!
You probably see her down there.
You drop something?
Yeah, I dropped something in under your seat.
Sorry.
I don't know if I can.
Let me help you. Here, watch out. Let me help him.
I like living dangerously, like, you know, team no fuse and stuff like that. Team no sleeve, team no fuse, team no lube, team no cap for your bottle.
Oh,
Dude, that thing's awesome. But it's just funny because it sounds like everything on it.
He's running 8 CV518s.
18s, yeah. Getting ready to smack it. This fucking truck is just might be better than the system. I need a 6-door bourbon, dog.
What did it meter?
156, I think. Something like that. It was at the second window. Yeah. Is he going again?
We better hurry up. It's 5 o'clock.
All right.
Get in.
Let's get in,
Last
Josh.
demo.
Come on. What all's in here?
8 ZV518s on 2 NS2s, 18 volt electrical.
18 volt electrical?
Yeah.
What about battery power?
310 amp hours of the CoCam LTO.
Put on something stupid. He said,
So it's a D pillar.
D pillar, yes. 2 to 1, fourth order, tune 2855.
Come on, Anna. Bitch ass. Scared ass.
Here, we'll put everybody.
You built it?
Yes.
Alright.
The longest 10 years of my life.
I bet.
Team high voltage.
I fucking bet.
Nice LEDs.
We're gonna die. Already paid.
That was pretty good, man. I appreciate it.
That's how you think.
So the doors are shut, Lynn. What is it? What's your highest you got in the kick?
Fish. Well, I've never tested it officially, but just with our testing, we did like a 62.
Nice.
That was like going full tilt.
Yes, sir.
I don't try to go full.
Oh, I understand, man.
That's roughly about 3/4 power. That's why it stays in the 17s.
Oh, yeah. Man, that was, dude, I've never sat something like this. I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I put it on YouTube. People like to see it. I'll call it the first D-pillar I've ever seen.
Yeah, I think so far everybody's like, I'm the first D-pillar, because a lot of people are like, why would you do a D-pillar? It's quieter. I'm like, because I can demo it.
You can have fun demoing everybody, yep.
Dude, it does. I mean, I get people who mail all the time.
Yeah. Yours
Like-
here?
Huh?
Yours here?
Mine's here?
Is it here?
Is yours
Your
here?
system?
Oh, no, hell no.
No.
I blew my 12K.
Uh-oh. Can I see your alternator?
Yeah.
Or alternators? I don't know if...
Well, there's one on 18 volt and one on 12 volt.
They actually aren't firm about the 5 minutes. Can't demo at 5.
Yeah, they're supposed to shut off the 5, but I'm sure that's what they sold everybody.
Okay. That's our first use. Appreciate it.
going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.